One of the environmental issues that the Philippines has been facing is deforestation. The country has experienced significant rates of forest loss due to activities such as illegal logging, agricultural expansion, and urbanization. This has led to habitat destruction, loss of biodiversity, and adverse effect on local communities who rely on forests for their livelihoods and as a source of natural resources. Efforts have been made to combat deforestation through conservation initiatives and stricter enforcement of environmental regulation, but it remains a pressing issue in the Philippines. Deforestation is the widespread removal of forests for various purposes, such as agriculture, logging, urban development, or infrastructure projects. This process results in the loss of tree cover, environmental impacts such as habitat destruction, ecosystem disruption, soil erosion, altered water cycles, and reduced biodiversity. Deforestation also contributes to climate change, as trees store large amount of carbon which is released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. It disrupts local communities as indigenous peoples rely on forests for food, medicine, and building materials. Economically, deforestation can lead to long-term losses due to environmental degradation, reduced biodiversity, and negative impacts on industries like tourism and fisheries. To combat conservation measures, sustainable practices such as responsible land using, planning, and implementing policies to curb illegal logging are essential to steps in addressing deforestation. Deforestation is a global issue with global implication and a multifaceted approach involving policy changes, community engagement, technological advancement, and international cooperation is needed.